brilliant crowd. Thank you all for coming. Give yourselves a big hand. Fabulous. Mind a Maze was a concept that was started 3 years back by Swapna. Samir has done this quiz. Raj has done this quiz. This year I am to host it. But to tell you just a little bit more about what this quiz is about, let me call Samir on stage. Samir.
Welcome to the third edition of Mind a Maze, a brainchild of Swapna. This was instituted to commemorate the life of our dear friend Mayur, who was cruelly snatched away from us at a young age in August 2011. To conduct this quiz today, may I introduce an old friend, Joy. Joy is obviously one of the most famous faces in Indian sports entertainment industry. And he's come in specially from India for this. Joy is a team director of KKR. He is a writer. Special thanks to IIM Alumni Association and SMU for organizing this event. So let's get on with the quiz. Joy, all yours.
Thanks so much, and it's wonderful being here. And the idea is just to, quizzing is one part of it. The other is to celebrate memories and have a good time, all in the name of knowledge. Rules of the quiz are simple. I'm the boss. As if for today, I belong to an autocratic state. Mamata Banerjee rules my state. So when I say I'm the boss, I'm the boss. Okay. I shall give you any points as I feel like. 1, 7, 10. Normally I give 10s for a direct and 10s for a bonus as well. Okay. Team 1, your first question. No, these are not on buzzer. You have 18 without the buzzer, and after that we have 6 with the buzzer to end with. Direct, going on infinite bounds, we're going this way. First question to you. Okay. Which is the only year in its history that the Nobel Peace Prize was not awarded because there have been more than 1 year in which it's not awarded, because in the committee's words, there was no suitable living candidate.
1948, because Mahatma Gandhi.
Well done, Tequila Mockingbird, 10 points to you. Okay, the rules of the buzzer round. Okay, first, they're the bosses. Okay, our spotters are the bosses. 7 for a direct, -7 if you miss it. But the more important rule, the question stops the moment you hit. Okay, now I'm just going to ask it to the audience. So basically, which film character was inspired by a combination of a skunk named Pepe Le Pew and Keith Richards? Huh? Yes, Jack Sparrow is right, and can we have a prize for them, please? Jack Sparrow, Pirates of the Caribbean. What are we giving?
Holiday Inn voucher for $50.
Wow, $50 voucher for you. Your name, please, ma'am. Well done, Jamie. $50 for you. Good answer. If you go to most hotels or eating establishments, in which specific product would you always find flavored with something called bergamot orange? Earl Grey tea, and it's a tie break. Okay, in which country is this, or what is it called? Any of the two will do. That's what it looks like, and recently a guy actually went inside there from National Geographic and took pictures. It's craziest place you can ever see.
It's in Russia?
Not in Russia.
It's in Iceland?
Not in Iceland. Norway, no.
This is called Gate to Hell or something. Something like that. Something similar to Gate to Hell.
Gateway to Hell. And it's in
I'll come back to you.
It's in Indonesia.
No. You don't like Indonesia, do you? I'm just asking you. Yeah, no.
Russia.
Not Russia. Somebody said Russia. Wait. Somebody here, yeah.
Turkmenistan.
It is Turkmenistan. That's a lovely answer. Do you know what it's called? It's called Darwaza. Exactly. It's an Indian word. It's called Darwaza. This is going to be a long evening. Okay. Watch out. Look very carefully. Hopefully it will be easy. Appropriately enough, which breed of dog is named after a tax collector? What was that? Yeah? Doberman, named after Carl Doberman. Well done. +7 to you. Well done, 4 idiots. What's happening out here? Alchemist is on 70, which is serious. Milli Julie is on 45, right? 45. What's in a name is on 40. 35 for Tequila Mockingbird and 40 for Q4. LOT 35. So first place is going to be a bit difficult to catch, but it's catchable. Second place is going to be a cat fight out here. Okay. What is the term for losing one's job to being outsourced in another country? They say first? To be Bangalore is correct, +7 for you. In third place with 42 points, it's LOT. Okay, well done guys.
Thank you.
In second place, Mili Julie Sarkar, well done. And the winners today, they were thumping in their first round, they were amazing in the finals. Alchemist with the Mind Amaze Cup. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for staying so long. It's been a wonderful evening. Thank you so much for coming. Bye-bye. Thank you.